The planets in our solar system are not alone. Around them orbit almost 300 confirmed moons, and the number keeps growing. Some moons are tiny, irregular fragments. Others are larger than planets. A few may even have subsurface oceans or atmospheres. Moons can tell us about the formation of planets, about collisions, about migration, and perhaps even about life. In this film, we'll visit every planet, one by one, and explore what we know about their moons, from the closest cratered rocks to the icy giants on the edge of the solar system. Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system and the one closest to the Sun, has no moons. Its proximity to the Sun means any potential satellite would be torn away by solar gravity. Mercury is a scorched and airless world, battered by ancient impacts. Its sky is always black, its days long and burning, and its nights unimaginably cold. No companions, no rings, just silence and sunlight. Venus, nearly the same size as Earth, is often called our sister planet. But that's where the similarities end. It has no moons and no magnetic field. Its atmosphere is thick with carbon dioxide, trapping heat in a runaway greenhouse effect. Surface temperatures soar above 460 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead, beneath clouds of sulfuric acid. Venus rotates backwards, and a single day here is longer than its year. Mysterious, hostile, and alone. Earth. Earth is the only planet known to support life. It has just one moon, but this single satellite plays a powerful role. Roughly 1/4 the size of Earth, and orbiting at an average distance of 384,000 kilometers. The moon takes about 27.3 days to complete a full orbit. It always shows us the same face, a phenomenon called tidal locking caused by gravitational forces that have synchronized its rotation with its orbit. The moon drives Earth's tides, stabilizes our axial tilt, and gave early humans a way to measure time. In fact, the word month stems from moon. It guided navigation, inspired mythology, and continues to be our closest link to the cosmos. Mars? The red planet is accompanied by two tiny moons, Phobos and Deimos. Unlike Earth's round, smooth moon, these irregular asteroid-like shapes resemble space debris more than traditional moons. Phobos, the closer of the two, orbits Mars in just 7.6 hours. So fast it rises in the west and sets in the east, twice a Martian day. Deimos, smaller and farther out, takes about 30 hours to circle the planet. Scientists believe both moons may be captured asteroids from the nearby asteroid belt. They are too small to pull themselves into a sphere, and their low mass means they are destined to change. Phobos is slowly spiraling inward. One day it may crash into Mars or break apart into a ring. Though unassuming in size, these tiny moons offer big clues about Mars's violent past and the chaotic early solar system. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system, and its immense gravity has captured over 90 moons. Among them, 4 stand out: the Galilean moons Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. They were first seen by Galileo Galilei in 1610 through one of the earliest telescopes. This discovery was groundbreaking since it changed the common view of Earth as the center of the universe. Each Galilean moon is unique. Io is the most volcanically active body in the solar system. Europa hides a subsurface ocean beneath its icy crust, a possible habitat for life. Callisto is ancient and cratered, and Ganymede, the largest moon in the solar system, is even bigger than Mercury. It's the only moon known to have its own magnetic field, and some scientists believe it may also harbor a hidden ocean. Jupiter's gravity shapes the orbits of its moons and even helps protect the inner planets by deflecting asteroids. In many ways, Jupiter is like a mini solar system of its own. Saturn is the second largest planet in our solar system and famous for its iconic rings. But it's Saturn's moons that truly capture our curiosity. The giant Titan is larger than Mercury, with thick clouds and methane lakes. Beneath its surface may lie conditions suitable for life. Smaller Enceladus hides a global ocean under its icy shell and shoots water into space, an active world with real potential for habitability. In total, Saturn has over 140 moons, more than any other planet we know of. Each moon orbits in delicate balance, shaped by the planet's immense gravity. Saturn isn't just a ringed beauty, it's a system of worlds, each with its own mysteries waiting to be explored. Uranus, the tilted giant, and its shadowed moons. Uranus stands out in our solar system. Its axis is tilted over 90 degrees, making the planet roll like a ball around the sun. This strange tilt plunges its poles into decades-long darkness or light. But what orbits this pale blue giant is just as intriguing. 28 known moons, all named after characters from Shakespeare and Alexander Pope. The largest, Titania, Oberon, Ariel, and Umbriel, are dark, icy worlds, with mysterious surfaces scarred by ancient impacts and possible internal oceans. Because Uranus spins on its side, its rings and moons rotate vertically, creating dramatic and unusual orbital dynamics. Despite its distance, Uranus hints at complexity, quiet, distant, and overlooked, yet home to icy worlds waiting to be understood. Neptune, the most distant of the major planets, is a cold and stormy giant where supersonic winds whip across deep blue clouds. But it's not alone out there. Orbiting this ice giant are 16 known moons, each with its own tail. The standout is Triton. Unlike any other large moon, Triton orbits backward, a retrograde path, suggesting it may be a captured Kuiper Belt object, once a wanderer, now held in Neptune's grip. Triton is the coldest known object in the solar system, yet beneath its icy crust may lie a hidden ocean. It's also slowly spiraling inward. One day it may be torn apart by Neptune's gravity. Other moons like Proteus and Nereid remain largely mysterious, far too distant or small to reveal their secrets. Neptune's moon system, shaped by capture, collisions, and cosmic chance, is a window into the chaotic outskirts of our solar system. The end is just the beginning. Our journey past the planets and their many moons reveals not just numbers and names, but a deeper truth. The more we discover, the more we realize how much remains unknown. New moons are still being found. The story of our solar system is still unfolding. If this voyage sparked your curiosity, consider joining us on the next one. Subscribe, like, or simply look up, because space is closer than you think.